The origins of the human race are not of planet Earth. The origins are from somewhere very far above. The human body runs on rules. The same rules that built the universe. Structure, pattern, equilibrium. Animals, they live almost perfectly in their rules, but human beings do not. Consciousness is the only thing capable of pulling us out of sync with our own biology, and almost every disease you fear has a window where it can be stopped. As a physician, I will show you exactly where those boundaries are, what happens when you cross them, and exactly what it takes to get back into sync.